Hey everyone, welcome to the Willa channel. Today I'll show you how to create a free Minecraft server. Let's go to Aternos. Search for it on Google, click play, and then log in with your Google account. Once we're in, click create server and choose what you want. Hit next, then skip. Now we're in the core settings. Pick the core you need. I'll demonstrate with a simple one. Select your Minecraft version for the server and launch it. After the server starts, copy the IP address and open Minecraft. If you can't join the server, make sure to check this box. Now, launch Minecraft, click Multiplayer, then Add Server. Enter the IP and click Apply. Now we can join our server. That's it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to the channel. This was Godix, signing off.